have a pork tenderloin going for the family, so let's jump right in. So I already have the heat going at about 250. Tenderloin's been on roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see how this doing so far. Looks good so far. So now we want to throw the wings on. Alright, so I already have the wings seasoned. Season them up on both sides. All that goodness in there. Alright, so got the wings going. Zoom in here a little bit. So got the wings going up top and on the bottom, and the tenderloin. Flipping the tofu over here. That's still going good. And we got the wings on the bottom. And then a quick flip. Gotta figure out a better way to do this. I really like talking with my butt to the camera, but. Oh, yes, sir. Just checking in from the grilling session. So the wings looking right on point. Everything's going. Got the tofu, you know about it. Then you got some veggies down on the bottom. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Okay then. And then you got some more wings over here. We're about to wrap this whole session up here. Oh, don't forget about the start of the show. I think it's the pork tenderloin. I'll eat it, but it's what the family eat, so. I ain't looking divine. If I was on that swine, but never mind. Well, let's go ahead and do this thing. That's the tenderloin. Let's see how that looks. I think it's perfectly cooked. And then the wings. Go ahead and take those off. So the wings are done. And this is the tofu. So this is the smoked tofu. It's been smoking for probably about 3 or 4 hours. So that's the one with the tabs on it. And then this is just the regular tofu. I think I did steak on this one. So I got the tabs and then the steak tofu. That's pretty much it. I already took everything else inside. I already took the vegetable mix inside. So I did broccoli, Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, and carrots. That's already inside, so that's it. Another PitBoss Sunday in the books. All right, just finished getting this, got some chicken off the grill, got a pork tenderloin, and some tofu. And now I have a taste tester. It's gonna tell me how my chicken tastes.
Okay.
All right. Tell me how it tastes now. Fresh off the grill. Is it too hot?
No.
No? Okay.
It's a little bit chewy and it's a little bit like it tastes a little bit plain too.
Tastes a little bit plain.
Yes.
Eat some more. It don't taste plain. Keep eating it. The flavor get you on the back end, man. You don't know what you're talking about.
I'll rate it a 9.5.
Out of what?
Out of 10.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
9.5 out of 10. All right, I'll take it.